Stop, 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 stop. You're doing it wrong. Have you ever felt this way? Then this is just the video for you. Hello and welcome back to She Built Her Home. Today we're going to be talking about some common homemaking mistakes and how to fix them. You're not going to want to miss this. Mistake number 1, not being prepared. Have you ever left your house in a hurry because you had to go somewhere and then when you get there you realize that you've forgotten something? That's a mistake homemakers typically make, but you don't have to. If you set your things out the night before, you'd be fully prepared for the next day ahead and it will go so smooth. And even if it doesn't go smooth, at least you're prepared, right? Mistake number 2, not being dressed for the day. God forbid an emergency happens, you want to make sure that you're fully dressed for the day. If you're fully clothed and God forbid an emergency happens, you can urgently leave if needed. When you pick out your stuff the night before, make sure to also lay out your clothes so that you can easily get to it in the morning as soon as your day begins. In a similar fashion, if you have children, ensure to pick out their clothes as well for the very same reason. I wear these house shoes in the house. They're specifically for the house, as I don't wear my outdoor shoes inside because of germs. But as you can see, the sole is pretty sturdy. So if God forbid in an emergency, these can be worn outside as well. In addition to being prepared for any emergency, if somebody suddenly pops up at your house, you will already look presentable. Another one is not having a plan. When we don't have a plan, we tend to wander around aimlessly. When you do have a plan, you have direction and you know exactly where you're going. In order to fix this mistake the night before, make sure you set a plan and some intentions. What do you intend to do for the day? And how do you intend to do it? Pick at least 3 things and stick to them. If nothing else, at least those will get done. Another one is trying to do it all. When you try to do it all, it leads to overwhelm. Please make sure that you're shortening your to-do list and have a list of 3 to 5 items that you will do no matter what. And also prioritize them, because that way you get the most important things done first. Another one is not taking time out for yourself to rest. This can lead, unfortunately, to severe burnout, and we don't want that. In order to fix this, make sure that every day you're taking at least 15 minutes to sit down and rest and have some downtime. Looking for something to do in your downtime? Get subscribed to this channel for more content about homemaking, positivity, and productivity. Another typical mistake of homemakers is not having hobbies. Watching TV is not a hobby, and neither is resting. Please make sure that you have some productive hobbies that will let you feel fulfilled and enjoyment. Homemaking is a beautiful thing, but it can also be a little bit sad because everything that we do gets undone in days, if not minutes. So that leads to wondering if we're doing enough or what's even the point. But when we have hobbies, we can feel that we're getting somewhere, that we're progressing, and it can lead to fulfillment in other areas of our life as well. Another one is not using a planner. When you don't use a planner, it is easy to lose track of tasks. However, when you do have a planner, you can see your day all laid out in front of you. It becomes much more realistic and manageable. Please be sure to use a planner today. Using a planner can also be very motivating, where you can see clearly what it is that you need to do, and checking off those boxes can be oh so satisfying. Another one is not improving your skills. If you can cook, that's beautiful. Keep improving. If you can clean, wonderful. Make sure you learn some more tips. If you wish to improve in certain homemaking skill sets, be free to subscribe. This channel has a lot of tips that can help you improve your homemaking life and your homemaking journey. Also, be sure you're always improving in that area of your life. When we are employing the 9-to-5 world, every day we're improving to get the next promotion. Well, here we have to be improving our skills. Our families are the ones that are reaping the benefits when we do. Finally, another mistake a lot of homemakers make is not making memories. Sure, you're making sure that the house is clean for your family, your children, if you have any, and that's super wonderful. However, don't forget that people rarely remember how your place looked, but more how you made them feel. Is everybody feeling warm and fuzzy inside? Does everybody remember having good memories with you? Please, yes, clean your home, but please make sure to have memories as well. I know we're all occupied with cleaning our homes, but please make time for memories. These are precious moments we're not going to get back. The dishes will be done, believe me. But our children, our families, they all grow up so fast. Even if you don't have children, your spouse, your doggies, They all love memories with you. Why don't you go ahead and make some? Go, do it now. What are you waiting for? Well, so there you have it. Those are some typical mistakes homemakers make and how you can fix them. If you like what you saw, don't forget to like and comment down below which was your favorite tip. In addition, make sure you check out this video right here to learn some tidy habits of effective homemakers. If you enjoy this kind of content, please feel free to subscribe for more tips on homemaking, productivity, and positivity. Until next time, to God be the glory. Bye.